Tarot Reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, hashtag Tarot Reader Shefali. I hope already you have subscribed my channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I'll be releasing in future. So friends, in this video, we are going to speak about June 2020 forecast for your sun sign. Let's see what's in cards for you. Let's see what's in cards for you for June 2020. People who are born from 23rd of July to 22nd August are Leos. Let's see what's in cards for them. So friends, we will start with your energy oracle card. We have Magician and the Mirror in the reverse position in your energy oracle segment. The card suggests that you might feel a little lack of control over things. So basically you have an inherent capacity to control things, to manage things and manipulate it with your needs. So you as a person, otherwise you are able to manipulate people, situation, elements, circumstances as per your need, but currently you are not able to do so in the month of June. So that energy, that talent or that skill of yours seems to be blocked. So let's see what other cards are suggesting. We'll start with your relationship card. In relationship, we have King of Pentacles in the upright position, which suggests that it is going to be a good time for you in terms of relationship. The man in the relationship is going to hold strong and he's going to give his whole support, love and grounding to the relationship. So if at all you have been a married person or a married couple, the male member in the family is going to give a strong support and strong grounding to the relationship, which is going to make your relationship more loving, pampering, caring and more nurtured and nourished. They will and they will ensure that you get everything that you need to make you happy, to keep you happy, and that will help them to build the relationship better amongst you people. If you yourself are the male in the relationship, you are going to act as the King of Pentacles, who is a very balanced, poised, disciplined and a very nurturing man in the relationship, a very abundance led. So basically abundance in love, abundance in commitment, abundance in conscious support to the relationship. Overall, it's a very good card for a grounding of the relationship. If you have been planning a parenthood, so this card also suggests fatherhood. So if you have been planning parenthood, this month might be the month where you can explore the possibility of getting of planning a child. If at all you have been in a partnership and not yet married, then this could be the card where you are where the male member in the partnership will go ahead and ask for commitment or explore the commitment in the relationship. If you have been single looking to date people, yes, you might come across few ladies or girls whom you actually want to consider for marriage or a long-term commitment, and you are exploring the opportunity. There is also possibility that you might go forward and propose one of the person whom you have been always connecting with or dating or otherwise. If you have been single who has not been dated somebody, but you are open to date somebody and you will be speaking to some people on that front with an intent to give commitment and grounding and balance relationship in future. So in case of other relationships like parental relationship, friends, family, colleagues, you are going to give a very strong and this male member in the relationship is going to give a very strong support and fun-filled environment, positivity in the relationship. The message for you here is to trust this man and go with the flow, because enjoy this relationship at which he is offering, the comfort, the security that he is offering. A very good period for all of you. Coming to your career card, we have Three of Cups in the upright position, which is suggesting that you are going to celebrate your success. So somewhere maybe you have been working too hard on your work or business or career front and you were waiting for some rewards. Yes, this is the time that you will be rewarded for your effort. You will be awarded and you will be appreciated amongst your peers and colleagues and industry for the effort and the intellect that you bring to the table. There is a possibility that you will be given some award, or you will be elevated to a better position, or you will be appreciated in front of people. So if you have been looking for promotion or otherwise, yes, you will be considered as a very strong candidate for promotion in terms of elevation or added responsibility or elevation at the job. With regards to monetary elevation, we'll have to see case to case, because the looking at the current market scenario, monetary elevation looks little unlikely, but of course job upgradation in terms of profile upgradation is very likely. So the message for you is, take this time of celebration with a very right maturity and right attitude. Don't go casual about it, because you have really worked hard towards it and got whatever you deserved. So just handle it carefully and don't take any unnecessary, unexpected, unwanted risk which can harm your career. So just take care, otherwise because there is a possibility that you might go a little overboard and react in a little wrong way. So just take care that you don't do that, or don't get overwhelmed by the success that you're getting at the doorstep when others are actually struggling to get one. So just be responsible of what you're getting, otherwise it's looking a good time in career. Coming to your financial card, we have Fool in the reverse segment, which says that somewhere you're feeling a lack of creativity in planning for financial planning. So basically lack of ideas in planning for finances. So don't take any hasty decision. Maybe you have gone through some losses in the immediate past, because of which you are too scared to take financial decisions. So here the cards are suggesting you to participate. So participate, speak to the right kind of people who have expertise in the current market situation on how to handle finances. Take their advice and accordingly walk along the path. If you are falling short of ideas, discuss with other people and take their guidance on and for going ahead in your financial planning. Coming to your health, we have Nine of Cups in the upright position, a very beautiful card, totally fulfilled and a beautiful health card it is showing. You will be totally in control of your health. Spiritually also, those who have spiritual inclination, they will also get a very good elevation in the spiritual side of their energy. A beautiful card overall from a health perspective. Message also is very much complementing the card. It is saying that you will be totally in control of your health. Coming to your chakra advice card, we have got Truth as your chakra advice card, which has which shows that you will be able to seek truth in the coming month, and you will be able to speak truth in the coming month. It is in the this truth is in a throat chakra segment, which is saying that you will be speaking truth about certain things. Even your summary card is much aligning with your chakra advice card, Justice, Tyaga. So you will be ethically balanced in the coming month. You will be talking right things to right people in a right way, and you will be really taking care of how you behave, how you act, what you speak, what you don't speak, just to make things work for you in a better way. And if you have to give up on certain things to achieve some better heights in your work, personal life, otherwise you will be ready to do that, of course for the right reasons, in the right way. So overall it looks like a very good and a promising month for Leos. A very good luck to all of you. Friends, I really hope that you have got some help out of this reading. Don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. Do follow me on my Instagram account, on my Facebook page Tarot Reader Shefali or Tarot Guide Shefali, and do follow me on Instagram page, which is Tarot Reader Shefali. Don't forget to comment on my videos. Your comment really helped me to get your feedback. Also your suggestions help me to improvise my videos, as well as to get some new videos on new topics for pick card reading. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. They will be able to take some help out of it on the basis of the situation. Remember that this is a generalized reading, and take it as a general guiding light. If at all you are looking for more personalized reading, go for a personalized session with me or some other tarot reader. If you want to book an appointment with me, you can connect with me on the mobile number that is there on the screen, or you can put me a mail or message on the Messenger or Instagram Messenger or Facebook Messenger. I really hope to help you in my capacity. A very good luck to all of you.